Hey guys, I'm Renee.
I'm Alissa.
And I'm Angelica. And today we're going to be teaching you about sound effects. Enjoy!
As we know, sound effects are an important part in modern day film.
They are sounds that enhance an emotional response or show an important point.
This video will cover the good, bad, and overused effects, while also showing you how to use them in the right way to make a good video.
3. Roll the clip!
This is an example of a bad use of sound effects. The sound is way too obnoxious for the actual clip.
Within iMovie, we can edit the volume of the sound effect.
To start off, we're going to hover over the desired audio clip we want to edit. Then there's a gray line that you'll drag up and down to do your desired volume.
Now the ball and the bounce are in sync and the sound effect is not too loud and fits with the action.
We both knew this would end eventually.
You even like lemon bars?
Not really. But I'm mad at him too, so lemon bars it is.
Something happened.
You gotta get me in there. What time does the embassy close?
5.
All right, come on, let's go.
Wait a minute, I gotta change.
No, there's no time for that. Come on, let's go, let's go.
Surprise!
This is so great. I didn't know you delivered.
Please rise for the national anthem. Today being performed by
Here you can see the classic laugh track that occurs in many different films we showed above. This can have some pros and some cons.
Pros being that it is familiar to the viewers and they can recognize it easily, as well as it tells the viewers when a joke has been said.
Cons are that it can seem repetitive and overdone, as well as it starts to be annoying and obnoxious when the jokes are really not that funny.
Just like my jokes.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope it helped with your future movie making.
And if you want to learn more different video techniques, click on our school channel below.
Like and subscribe! Whoop!
How about we do...
Yes, your loudness.
iMovie
No, I mean your
edit?
largeness. It's a thing. Na. Who you going home with? How yay?
Okay, children, I gotta
I'm
edit it.
surviving. I would do a little bit longer.
Got it?
Why do this? As we show above.
Are you Angelica? Then why are you reading this? Here you can see the. Oh my god.
Who you going home with?
Who you?
Awesome conversation.
2, 3, go. Thanks.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks. Is that Duffy? No, it's not Duffy.
Duffy.
Duffs. Okay. You literally have 2 words. Like and subscribe.
I say love and subscribe.
Oh my freaking god.
This was not what we planned.
Okay.
Please, like and describe.
Describe?
Describe.